Hello YouTube and welcome to the Victron portal. As you can see, our battery is fully charged. We've got a bit of DC power coming out, but there's no sunshine. Our AC charger, our solar charger is missing from here. If you look at historical data as well, you go back past 7 days. We had it there, the orange is the solar coming in, and then we lost connection and there's been sporadic connection over the past couple of days. So if you look back a little bit further, you see it's been good, and then suddenly we've had a period of time where it's disappeared and good again and disappeared. So we've had issues with the Victron system, and I think I know why, or at least I'm going to try something to fix it. And I am blaming the self-made cables. This is a USB to serial cable with, on the other end of it, we've got a 4-pole connector strapped on, and that plugs in up there, and it has been going to the Raspberry Pi. And I see I've got the battery shunt connected, and that's connected in there straight to the Raspberry Pi. But if you have both connected, it seems to muck up, and I think the reason being, and I've read some forums, is because the potentials between the plugs are different. So because that's near the battery negative and this is in the charging section, and you get voltage drop across the cables, you effectively get two different grounds. So measuring the shell of the USB to the other shell of the USB, you're getting about 300 millivolts. I think that's upsetting the Pi and upsetting the signals. So I've bitten the bullet and I have a solution. And hopefully the solution is the proper cables. So these are the Victron cables, and these are not cheap. So I bought 2 of them, one for the charge controller, one for the battery shunt, and they are £30 each. Expensive cables, but they have a little isolator inside them. So this is the proper USB cable. I mean, it's quite a long cable. Way down the back up, and you've got USB on one end, focus, and the Victron connector, VE bus, as it's called, VE bus on the other end. And then in the middle, near the USB side, you've got this little isolator box. So what this will do is get rid of that voltage differential. So if you can have this end connected to your high load, it could be like 3 or 4 volts on here, but it'll be completely isolated, galvanically isolated across this box. So it shouldn't cause any interference. So, time to swap the cables. One end up and in. Interesting. Of course, it's a reset. Huh. Well, there you go. If you plug a Victron Connect cable in, it makes the output load reset. It's rather strange. Let's come back on now. My light's turned off as well. Got to turn that back on. And other side goes in to the Pi. Right, and then the other side, see if anything strange happens when I plug this in. Goes into there. And then this side can go back into the Pi. Oh, it's one of these phantom USB. Oh, bugger. It's one of these quantum USB things where it's always the wrong way around. It's in. There we go. See if that comes back online. So this appears to be working. The solar charge controller, called PV charger on the screen, has appeared. And we can see DC power and the batteries all being updated. I'll turn something on. Turn on that, and what can I plug in? That'll draw lots of current. Let's put that in. And DC power should go up now. There you go, 400 watts. The charge has gone up as well to match because we're in float. And the battery should be discharging, which it is. And look at that. See, it's all working. So hopefully that'll fix the disconnection issues, and all my data, my lovely historical data, will be updated more often and all correct. And I'll let you know if I have any problems with this system. I'll let you know. Otherwise, assume it's working fine. So I shall see you later. Hope you enjoyed that, and bye for now.